What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a trade recap. It's going to be a bit different to my last ones, and this is why. So today, guys, yesterday we traded GBPUSD and GBPJPY. So we did GU and GBPUSD. Now I traded the New York session for the very first time live with this strategy, with this pair, and with GU and GBPUSD. I was really excited. Also, it was a bit of a flaw, and we'll get into that. But let's get right into this trade. So we'll start off with the usual GBPJPY. So what happens on the 4 hourly? We were, in fact, I think we were bullish. Bro, this shit is zoomed. We were we were bullish. On the 1 hourly, we were also bullish coming into this trade. Now, I did take a sell. I took this sell position right here because I knew this would have been a liquidity grab, but let's get right into it. So we get a touch into the session lows, Asia session lows, and we form this fair value gap. I waited for price to hit this fair value gap. I see bullish reaction out of it. Bang, sell position. I set my stops initially for GJ. I initially set it like over here, and then I realized, fuck, bro, that's not even a low, because I was like, this was the low here, but that already was swept here. I realized, fuck, that was poor take profit. Poor take profit. And I was actually playing Minecraft with my mates, so I was not really that focused. But we'll get into all the flaws at the end of the video. But I set my take profit there, and then I realized shit. So then I kind of closed my position around here, and I still profited. I still won this trade, but it just wasn't the cleanest trade. And we'll get into that. For GU, literally the exact same strategy. So Asia's high, we're tapped into. We see a break of structure with this candlestick. We see a fair value gap get formed. Price comes in. We see bearish candles out of it on the 1 minute. Bang, sell. I set my stops. Initially was, yes, it was initially like over here. But then, it wasn't, bro. I'm really sorry, guys, because this is why you need to stick to your plan. Because if you don't stick to your plan, you kind of forget. Yeah, it was down here. That's where it was. And then I realized, fuck, like I kind of panicked and took it out. And I closed position for this one early. So yes, I did profit both trades. But guys, this trade recap, I kind of want to go over where I went wrong. So firstly, yes, I know I didn't trade with the bias for GJ. That's one place I went wrong. Second thing, I traded another pair on a complete different session. That's another mistake. I kind of don't see that fully as a mistake. It's more so like me trying to adapt to another session and another pair. I'm not going to be trading GU, guys, a lot. So if you guys watch this, it's not like I'm going to start trading GU now. It was just kind of like a try it out sort of thing. Like I've back tested it, so I know the strategy works for it. I was just more so like a why not? So that was a poor move. Closing my take profit, moving my take profit, closing my position. That was probably my biggest regret. That really pissed me off because that's not really like me to close position early. At this point in time, it was when I started this channel, but then I got better and now I did it again. But I didn't close it like for GJ. I didn't close it because like, oh shit, like I want the money now. It was more so like I placed my take profit in the wrong spot because I was distracted. I was playing Minecraft with the boys. It was very important. So that happened. For GU, same thing, just poor psychology, I guess, if you want to say. So honestly, I'm actually not happy with these trades. Yes, I did profit. Yes, I got like a profitable trading day on my funded, but that means fuck all to me because I traded a different pair. I traded a different session. I closed position early. This was a bad trade. Like I don't think this was a good trade at all. Like yeah, I don't care. I profited. Let's go. But bro, like this isn't what I'm this is not what I'm about. I'm not about this. Also shout out to Big Balls Alex. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. Big Balls Alex. But yeah, it's just I wasn't very happy with this trade at all, really. Yes, it gave me profit, whatever, but I didn't follow my rules realistically. Yes, I followed my strategy. I still stuck to a 4x pair, but I traded a complete, as I said, different session, different pair. Like that's not good. And I closed position early. Like that's just not. I'm not about that, bro. We're not about that here. We don't do that shit. So that pissed me off, in all honesty. And I just realized, I think before I said Asia session highs, this is meant to be London session highs. I'm sorry. It's because I'm so used to doing London session that I think these are Asia session highs, but these are actually London session highs and lows. But I'm all over the place right now. I'm surprised. I'm surprised some people understand what I'm trying to say, bro. I talk so quick. But yeah, that's the trade recap. Not the best, not the worst, but I'm definitely not happy with it, and there's definitely so much more room for improvement. But I will be honest, guys, expect for the next like week or two that I possibly will be trading New York session with GBPJPY or GU. There is a good chance. But this is not like a long-term thing. Like I want to start trading these two pairs once I get fully profitable on GJ. But yeah, good thing I did take the position out because we see price went to go back up and then made a little reversal down, a bit of consolidation, a bit of this and that. Look at that. Anyway, that was a trade recap, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Room for improvement, definitely for me. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this trade. It's not the best trade, I know. I'm not happy with it at all, but it was a trade, and it's what I took. And I'm being honest with you guys. Like, I'm not going to lie here and say, yeah, guys, I took this trade and my take profit was set right here, and then I set my stops at here. Like, I'm not going to fucking lie. Like, this was the trade that I took. Bro, can this go back? Okay, there we go. Yeah, we got a 1.6 risk to reward ratio for GJ, and GU I got a 2.5. So it wasn't terrible, the risk to reward, but I'm happy with my stops, man. Like I got very little drawdown. I think I got like no drawdown with this one. I got a little bit, but like no, yeah, not a lot. Yeah, I'm happy with that. But yeah. Anyway, that's the trade recap, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. It is Friday today, so I might be trading. I probably won't be trading London, so we'll see. Maybe I'll place a cheeky trade at work, but I don't know if I should do that because knowing me, guys, I get fucking distracted. Like, I can't trade when I'm distracted. If I'm playing Minecraft, if I'm at work, if I'm like on my phone at the gym, I can't do it. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I just don't lock in. I just can't do it. So anyway, guys, that's the trade recap. Thank you for watching this video. I think I've done an outro like 4 times, bro. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Anyway, thank you, guys. Take it easy. God bless you all. Yes. Yes.